Tuesday, Chris Allen here, January 23rd, here at Sam Channel, the Sam Channel, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. Okay, we've got rain that's moving in this morning, and the rain is going to be with us. It's going to come in waves over the next several days. It's going to really start a little bit this morning. We'll get a wave this morning and then more rain as we get on in to this evening and especially tomorrow and Thursday. I mean, it's there's going to be wave upon wave of rain that is going to come through, and each one will put down some pretty good measurements. I think what we're getting this morning that you're seeing on the live radar this morning is going to be fairly light. There are some moderate showers that are back to the west that may put down more than a tenth of an inch, maybe even a quarter of an inch back here toward Owensboro and Evansville. Zoom in on some of that. Henderson area, Evansville, down to Seabury. And then as you travel 41, 41A, down to Madisonville, over toward Princeton. That's where some better rainfall is occurring right now. Just some very light rain that's just now moving into the Bowling Green area as of 6:42 this morning. But most of this will be with us just during the morning hours, and then it will taper off a little bit later. The next wave of rain is this that's way down here into Texas and Louisiana. You can see the Gulf moisture just being drawn into this low pressure system. That is going to head off to the north and east in our direction. And as it moves north and east into Tennessee this evening, we'll get some of that next round of rain sometime after midnight. And for the drive tomorrow morning, it's going to rain pretty good across the area. And there may be just enough instability to actually maybe hear some rumbles of thunder. It's a possibility as we get more moisture being drawn in to the area. So, yeah, it's going to be several waves of rain coming in that's going to be with us pretty much all week. The only break that I see that we're going to get in these continual waves of rain is going to be on Friday before we get yet more rain coming in for Saturday and maybe even early Sunday. The best news out of all of this is that it's going to stay warm. And today we're really going to warm things up significantly and even more so tomorrow. Let's check temperatures right now just to let you know there's nothing to be afraid of as far as frozen precipitation because we're getting plenty of warmth and everything is staying well above freezing. Here's a look at Kentucky mesonet temperatures as of almost 6:45 this morning. We've got 42 at the Corvette plant, 48 at the Ag Expo Center, 47 in Scottsville and in Bon Air, Barron County. 32, though, down near the Cumberland River, wouldn't you know? The cold spot always, Cumberland County, 32. They're at the freezing mark. But by the time this moisture gets to you, if you live near Burkesville or Cumberland County, you'll be above freezing. So you're not going to have to worry about that. Everybody else is in the 40s this morning. Is there a wind? Well, the winds are going to pick up today. They're from the south right now at 5 to 10 to even 15 miles per hour. So there's maybe just a little bit of a wind chill. Yeah, it makes it feel like it's upper 30s to low 40s, but that's not chilly. I mean, it's a little coolish, but it's not real chilly. Let's see if anybody's added any moisture. Let's see. Since midnight. So nothing here. Of course, we're just getting started with our rain in Warren County, but locations back west of us have picked up less than a tenth of an inch until you get into far western Kentucky. It already 3/10 of an inch. That's in Crittenden County, tenths of an inch in Graves County, Mayfield. But look at this, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain in Ballard County, right on the Ohio River this morning. And then over a half inch, 66 hundredths in Fulton County, way out there near Monkey's Eyebrow, far western Kentucky. Say, there is a place called that? Yes, Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky. I know. I hear somebody saying you're making that up. No, I'm not making it. Look it up. Google it. You'll see Monkey's Eyebrow. It's way out there, tip of the state of Kentucky. Okay, let's check the temperatures in the next few days. I think you're going to like this. It's a far cry from the near zero and below zero temperatures we've had lately since the snow fell. But 50 today, 60 tomorrow. Nice. Mid 60s, maybe on Thursday. Now, tomorrow and Thursday, there may just be enough instability to cause a rumble of thunder when the rain comes down. Maybe. But we're not calling for severe weather. It's not going to be that kind of a situation. It would just be, a garden variety thunderstorm. It's not going to be anything significant. And then we stay in the mid to upper 50s for Friday and Saturday. We cool down on Sunday, kind of close to where we should be this time of the year, which is the mid 40s. We do that for Monday, go back to 50 by Tuesday, and we stay in the 50s, 53, 56, and even back close to 60 by next Friday. Not this Friday, next Friday, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. Yeah, we won't wake up like Bill Murray to snow on Groundhog Day. It's going to be warm around here. So there you go. A very mild, almost spring like pattern that we're going to be in for the next 7 to 10 days, and lots of rain. And really, we need to catch up on rainfall. We don't need to do it all at once. But, we ended the month of, or not the month, the year of 2023 over 8 inches below normal on rainfall. That's a big deficit. So we don't just roll things over into the new year, although we really should. We zero everything out January 1st. But once you take in how far we were behind, and we're behind right now into the new year, that's not good at all. So this rain coming in will be beneficial, and it will be a big help. All right, let's take a look at the maps here. And you can see here's Kentucky this morning. Here's our kind of lazy boundary that's here with all the rain. All the pretty colors have gone way north of us. That's where any frozen precipitation, ice, snow, mix, whatever. The yellow indicating fog, lots of it back into the plains. We're just in the rainy zone here, and we'll stay that way. We get our rain this morning, then we see a little bit of a break this afternoon right there before the next wave comes in. And here it is down south of us. As I showed you on radar, drew the arrow back up here into Tennessee and Kentucky. That's the next wave that will come in after midnight tonight and during the day tomorrow. Rain, rain, thunder, maybe rain, rain, Wednesday night, rain, Thursday. Get a break on Friday. Nice break on Friday. A little high pressure builds in. But then we go rain Saturday. Little rain left over on Sunday. Another break on Monday. But then there's more coming in as we get into next week. See this system? That's the next one. So it's just over and over again. But the great news out of all of this is that it will stay warm enough to where we will not have to worry about wintry weather. We went through probably I'm not I'm not going to say the end of wintry weather for the rest of the winter season. That would be not even good to say, as far as it's too soon. Too soon. We still have February and we still have March. We still get snow in March. We have before many times. So we're not done. It's just a break and a nice little tease of spring, I guess, is what we're seeing right now. Here is a look at the predicted rainfall, and we go again 2 to 3 inches. The maps are continuing the forecast to show that for the next week, 2 to 3 inches of rain. There could be some places closer to four. And then you get down into, I mean, we're talking about Arkansas, Texas, East Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. They're going to get over the next 7 days 5 or more inches, maybe 5 to 7 inches of rain. Flooding is going to be a huge concern for them. And think about Arkansas and places in Mississippi that picked up snow and was a skating rink yesterday, and now rain and lots of rain on top of it. There's going to be a lot of flooding. We may have some minor issues with flooding around here, but flooding is going to be huge down in this area, that bright shaded area, over the coming days in the next week. We're not going to have to deal with that. We'll just deal with maybe some localized stream flooding or creek flooding. Some of the Green River Basin will rise. We'll get some minor flooding issues downstream, but I don't foresee anything that's going to be uh, significant as far as flooding is concerned. All right. So today, around 50 for a high. The average is 46. We hit 48 yesterday. It felt good. It felt like a heat wave. It did. So rain this morning, a break this afternoon, breezy around 50, rain likely again after midnight tonight, 45, and then showers and even a thunderstorm and breezy tomorrow. We'll get up to 60 tomorrow. Wow. 60 from 0 to 60. Sounds like a Fast and Furious movie. Anyway, God bless you all. Thank you for watching as always. I'm on the radio now, Sam 100.7, and I'll be on News 40 at 5, 6, and 10 tonight, WNKY, for your weather on TV. Have a great